For a long time, humans have applied machinery to cutting and hauling wood to reduce labor costs and increase productivity. Today, let's explore the process of wood harvesting, from manual labor to machine intervention, to see the surprising changes that have occurred. The process of harvesting trees using human labor was extremely strenuous, which is why people turned to a more efficient method of transporting wood, using horses to pull it. To carry out the process of pulling wood with horses, people would select horses with appropriate strength and size for pulling and transporting wood. Then, they would connect the horses to the wood. The wood would be cut to an appropriate length and securely fastened to the horse's saddle. Ropes would be used to connect the wood to the horses, which would then pull the wood by moving and using their strength. The horse rider would control them by holding the ropes and directing their movements. When they arrived at their destination, they would stop the horses and remove the wood from the saddle. Pulling wood with horses was a laborious and tiring task that could only transport wood over a limited distance. Therefore, using modern machinery would help reduce human effort and time in the wood transportation process. With modern machinery, moving wood from the forest to the collection sites is carried out by timber cranes. These vehicles are designed to be robust and sturdy, with a steel frame and strong load-bearing components to ensure strength and durability during operation. The crane is equipped with a boom located at the rear or top of the vehicle, which can rotate to lift and move timber planks. The crane is controlled by a remote control to increase safety during operation. Additionally, the vehicle has a strong braking system to ensure safety during movement. When lifting wood, the crane uses an engine and hydraulic pump system to create lifting force on the crane component. The crane is designed to rotate to position the crane head in the desired location for lifting. Then lift the wood plank to the desired height and hold it steady. Once the wood plank has been lifted and held steady by the crane, the vehicle moves to the desired location for placing the wood. When the vehicle arrives at the wood placement site, the crane will lower the wood plank and place it in the necessary position. Then the crane is rotated to release the wood plank and return the crane head to its original position. The remote control system is used to control the crane and steering system, ensuring safety and precision during operation. With the development of modern technology, harvesting trees has become more convenient and easier. People no longer use manual labor to chop wood, but instead rely on modern wood harvesting machines. Firstly, the machine is moved to the tree felling location using steering systems, engines, wheels, or gears to ensure stability and precise positioning. Then the machine uses a large saw blade to fell the trees. The blade is inserted into the trunk of the tree and the tree is cut down, while the branches are pushed down to the ground. The trees are then pulled by the machine to a gathering point. At the gathering point, the tree branches and foliage are separated from the trunk using a specialized cutting machine. The branches are cut off for convenience in transportation and wood processing. The trees are grouped into bundles and cut into appropriate lengths for transportation. Of course, the support from machines has greatly increased productivity and reduced costs in tree harvesting. Before trees are processed for further production, they must undergo the process of being transported from the forest. To accomplish this, a logging machine is the optimal choice. Firstly, The logging machine is connected to the trees using a rope or cable. The rope can be attached to a point on the trees or wrapped around them to ensure that they will not fall out of the machine during transportation. Once connected to the block of wood, the logging machine is activated using an engine system to pull. The system is controlled to move the trees forward or backward, depending on the direction that the operator wants to move. The speed of the logging machine can be adjusted to ensure safety and efficiency during the process. If the speed is too fast, the wood may be thrown out of the machine or encounter obstacles on the way. When the machine has pulled the wood to the gathering place, the wood is removed from the logging machine for storage or transportation to the next location. We have just learned about some logging and transportation processes from human and animal labor to modern technology. Have you gained more knowledge? To continue watching our videos on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and follow us. Click the bell icon to receive new notifications. Have a good day, goodbye, and see you again!